Look at that Indian. Man. I thought Indian started way before 1901. I guess they started in 1901, huh? I thought they started before the Harley Davidson did. But yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's even got the shotgun in the front. That is a modern day Indian, folks. It's got the ABS braking system. It's got the belt drive. Even though this Indian looks retro, old school, this is what you call a modern day Indian. Don't get it twisted. That's a lot of motor underneath that one right there. Yep. I like the way they customize this Indian right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Oh, this is yours. Wow, what year is this, baby?
2021.
Yeah, you did a lot of work to it though. Yeah, it looks good, my man. Congratulations. Enjoy ride safe, brother. Cool. 2021. Oh, look at that. All engraved. Brackets copied from the World War II, you said, right? Right on, my man.
Thank you.
You're a vet, huh? Hey, thank you for what you do, brother. I appreciate you, man. I really do. We live the way we live because people like you, my man.
Thank you.
So enjoy the ride. Did a good job. Oh, sounds good too, man. There you go. Peace out. There you go.